Are you struggling to remove McAfee Antivirus from your computer completely? Look no further. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to uninstall McAfee Antivirus to ensure a clean and thorough removal. Say goodbye to lingering files and registry entries that may be slowing down your system. Follow our simple instructions and regain control of your device without any leftover traces of McAfee. Don't let uninstallation hassle get in the way of smooth computing experience. Watch now and learn how to bid farewell to McAfee once and for all. To uninstall McAfee Antivirus completely, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the control panel on your computer. Step 2. Go to Programs and select Programs and Features. Step 3. Locate McAfee Antivirus in the list of installed programs. Step 4. Right-click on McAfee Antivirus and choose Uninstall or Remove. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. Step 6. After uninstalling, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Note: if you encounter any issues during the uninstallation, you can visit the McAfee website for specific removal tools or contact their support for assistance.